students. Today we are going to learn a new sound, and the sound is oo oo. So let us see the formation. Now the action of the sound oo oo. You just have to pretend like a cuckoo. And the sound is oo oo. Now it is story time. A girl is visiting her great aunt who has a big house and a large friendly cat called Noodle. It will soon be 3 o'clock and the girl goes to wait by the cuckoo clock. On the hour, a small wooden door opens and a little wooden cuckoo pops out. Ooh, 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 ooh. It cries. See students, how the cuckoo is popping out. Now it is song time. Who wants to be a cuckoo? Who wants to be a cuckoo? Who wants to be a cuckoo? Ooh, 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 ooh. Now let us see some oo words. The words which has the oo oo sound. Hook. The word hook has oo oo sound. The word book has the oo sound. The word wool has the oo sound. The word food has the oo sound. And the word wood has the oo sound. That's all for today. Thank you.